Hello guys and welcome back. Yeah, today I'm back on Changwatana Road. Sorry about the noise. Anyway, let's go this way. Today we're going to take a walk down Soi 19 on Changwatana. Down there is one of my favourite restaurants. I don't know if it's open today, but I hope it is. Alright, so it's about 2 minutes down that way. I am absolutely starving today. It's about 12 o'clock on a Saturday afternoon. I was in the area and I could remember I came here about a year ago and had a fantastic pad krapao. I don't think I'm going to have a pad krapao today. We'll see what else he has on the menu. So we've got a 7-Eleven there. We're walking up to the next 7-Eleven. Years ago this market in here used to be really good with street food, but now hardly anybody goes there anymore. I really hope he's open today, so I am absolutely starving. This woman here, she does some fantastic fried chicken and it's really cheap as well. It's like 20 baht a leg. Really good. I'll tell you what, it's another hot one today. Really hot. There's a 7-Eleven there and I can see smoke coming out from the side of the building, which means he's cooking. God, I'm looking forward to this. I don't know what I'm going to have yet, but this is going to be amazing, guys. I can hear the wok. Here it is. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't know what's wrong. Hello, Swaddy Crab. Hey, how you doing, man? I ain't come for the big one today. Do you do a kai geo with crab? Okay. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. So what I'm going to have this. It's a scrambled egg with crab. You get your sauces there too. Food Rob there. That's what it's going to look like. I better go over there and try and get a seat. A proper military operation in there. What I'll do, I'll leave a link for this place down in the description. If you're in the area, check it out because it is good. Just a small Coke. In Thai, I don't even know what this dish is called. So what I'll do, in the description, I'll leave the name of the dish. Then, when you come to Thailand, you can order the same. So I have to go over there and get my food and put the spices on. You'll see the seafood sauce there. But what I need, some chilies. Baby shard for chilies, we'll say. Boom. Just noticed they've still got a Christmas tree. Anyway, look at that. Alright, let's get stuck in. Bit of a thumbnail. Try a bit of that sauce as well. That is good. Real crab as well. None of that fake stuff. This is the real deal. That sauce. A little bit on there. So I am trying new dishes on the channel, eh? This is a 10 out of 10. Right, if you're enjoying videos like this, make sure you hit the thumbs up, yeah? Really does help. Oh, that was spicy up there. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe as well. It's free. So I'm not shy with the crab. Plenty of crab in there. You don't get dishes like this inside the mall. What a big portion. Look at that. Just about halfway through it. You can see the crab's legs. Chilies. It's like a Japanese style omelette. Fantastic. A lot of it as well. So I'm going to crack on and eat this and bring you back when it's time to get the bill. That was absolutely amazing, fantastic. I'm absolutely stuffed as well. Anyway, let's get this bill. 20 crab, check bin crab. How like 120 baht. Roy Mac Mac. Anyway guys, 120 baht. That is fantastic. It's real crab. The taste was amazing. Wow. Might sound expensive, 120, but it really isn't. Not for real crab. Try to find that in a mall for less than 300. Anyway guys, come and check it out if you're in the area. I'm going to shoot off now and I'll catch you in the next one. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, you know what I'm going to say. Adios.